our foundation, on which we will build a wheel. This is second part. It will also come in handy for us to build. Take the green detail, red, and connect them together. Those small details. Also we will build a column out of them. Here I already am prepared. 2 columns connected them with blue detail. And now they will stand strong. Another 1 column we put on our base and fasten blue detail. Green cube we will put here. It's also part of our convoy. Orange block we crease top of the column. So we collect more 1 support for our wheel. Orange block we creasing here. These small details will also come in handy for us. Green cube we crease in this part. This is our palm tree petal. Put by here. Take another 1 designer detail and fasten it here. This part will we have. Attach here and on it we will put a gear. Oh, this orange funnel. We need her as well. These details will be used to build the track. And here is the elephant. Wow, how big he is. First gear which will help us spin the wheel. Put it here near elephant. 2 orange details of our designer we will fix here. Green part of our track is attached here. Here's more our parts palm trees. Blue piece we attach here. These small details also help keep the whole structure. Wow, but here we will put our chair. Our assistant Jimmy will be sitting here. And this is his girlfriend Joy. It's a yellow detail also need us for the track. This fungus we will secure from below. This will also go to us part for fence. Wow! These parts we will secure also from below. Here we will put a cube, and this will be our convoy extra. 1 more green piece our root, along which will be ride ball. Wow, 1 more palm tree. On it we will also put a chair. This is part of our convoy, put it on another side. Yellow cube we will also secure in this part. We see the ready block of our gears. Here is another one yellow. This mechanism will help us spin our wheel. Wow, is that a xylophone? Gonna be fun! There is also a giraffe here. He wants to ride too. We will fix these details on the second part. Yellow part we will put here. Here we have the finished convoy. Put her near the giraffe. Orange detail attached at the bottom. This block we will put on our column. Wow, is that a crocodile? He will also help us. The blue detail is attached at the bottom. The green part will go on our fence. Orange block designer fixed from the bottom. Wow, one more gear. I put her later. Here at the bottom of her place. Wow, turned out a whole mechanism. This flower will put it at the bottom and it will spin. It's a fungus, put it also at the bottom near flowers. Wow, and more gears, how many of them? They will all help us. This flower we will put also on the gear. Wow, here have a pen. We will spin it our wheel. This is gonna be our rack. How huge is she? Let's fix it here. That blue designer detail secures our gears and rack. Like this, still put the block here and seal them together. Wow, and here is our wheel. Fixing it on our counter. Almost everything is ready. Put a blue detail. Another one and our flag. This will be a funnel to run our ball. A little more. Fixing the funnel. We put another one part of our designer and make a pass for our ball. This cube we attach here. A little more and we will finish our construction. Wow, wow! We built our slide. Run the ball and we will see where it will roll. Wow, wow! He got on xylophone. How great we are! We managed and built a great slide from our designer was cartwheel. Guys, thank you so much what helped build the slide.